In today's online classes, I will teach how to change direct into indirect. Now, in the last video, I have taught you all the rules for changing direct and indirect. And now today, I will teach you the questions which appears in exam board examination. So, how to solve them, I will teach you. Now, there is a one question. Your question is read the following dialogue given below and complete the paragraph. The dialogue I will write on the blackboard. Such as mother. What are you doing? Mother is asking, what are you doing? And her daughter Geeta will reply, I am watching TV. Then mother will ask again, when is your next paper? Geeta will answer the question. Geeta, it is on Monday. It is on Monday. Then finally, mother will ask, then why are you not studying? Why then you are studying? Now, your paragraph will be mother asked. Ask Geeta a number, dot dot dot. Then Geeta replied, the number, dot dot dot. At that moment, mother asked, again, the number, see, Geeta told her, the number, and mother asked Geeta, then the number. Now, this is your questions which will appear in your question papers. You have to write the answers. Now, most students make mistake that they fill in the middle of the paragraph. It is always wrong. You have to write your answers and your answer sheet separately. For example, to answer these questions, you have to study the dialogue first carefully. First of all, you will see mother asked, what are you doing? You are saying that this sentence is in present continuous tense. आप doing लगा हुआ है. And you know this tense change into past continuous tense. So your first sentence will be mother asked Geeta. Here we will use connector as that what. So you will write answer here a number what and you, which is your second person. It will be converted to object. Your object is Geeta, which has a feminine gender. So it will convert it into she, and we make the sentence into simple sentence. In simple sentence, we write subject first and then HV. So R will change into bars going doing. Okay. Now you have to look in your paragraph. Geeta replied. B number. This sentence will be converted to direct speech. So I will change your to Gita. First of all, you have to write conjunction that. So you write here the number that I will change it to C, and I am changing to God. She was watching TV. Now look at your paragraph. At paragraph is given at that moment. उसी क्षण मदर आस्क्ड गीता. मदर ने अगेन पूछा, उससे क्या पूछा? When is your next paper? So you see that this sentence is in present tense. It will be changed into past tense. So your subject will be your next paper. Your is the possessive case and second person. Which will be converted to object. Object is Gita. So here you will write C number and write also connector that, because your sentence is simple. Your next paper will be changed into her next paper. Her next paper is changed into was, when will be used as a connector. Her next paper was. And after that, Gita told her. This is the simple sentence. You have to write only connector that. It will be no change and is changed to was. So it will be that it was on Monday. Now finally, mother asked Gita then. Where then as a connector is used. So you have to write first. ये then का यूज यहाँ कर दिया गया, इसको आपको नहीं लिखना है. You have to convert only this sentence into indirect speech. So Y will be as a connector. You will be changed into a C and R will change into was. So your sentence will be Y C no she was no study. As a homework, dear students, you have to search the dialogue from internet sources or any other books and write at least 2 or 3 examples in your copy. That's all. This type, second questions also I am writing on the blackboard. You have to write first dialogue. Dialogue will be teacher. Will ask teacher, why did you not come to school yesterday? I was not at home. Teacher again asked teacher, where have you gone? Where have you gone? Mohan. I was out of station to attend a wedding. This is your dialogues. Your dialogues, the teacher is asking Mohan, why did you not come to school study? Then Mohan replied, I was not at home. Teacher again asked him, where have you gone? आप कहाँ पे गए हो? तो मदर मोहन said, I was out of station to attend the wedding. So your dialogue, your paragraph will be teacher asked Mohan a number of. Mohan replied, number problem. Finally, Mohan provided daughter. Dear student, according to the rules of the direct and indirect, you have to write all the answers in your work copy. First of all, you have to study the dialogues. Your dialogues are: teacher is asking Mohan, why did you not come to school study? Then Mohan replied, I was not at home. Teacher asked again, where have you gone? कहाँ गए हो? So mother Mohan said, I was out of station. So you have to look at first at your paragraph. Teacher asked Mohan, here no conjunction is used. You see, whenever the word is given as a conjunction, that will use as a connector in indirect speech. So why के नंबर लिखोगे आंसर डालोगे आप इस तरीके से why will be as a conjunction हो जाएगा. You will convert into Mohan which is a masculine gender into she, he, sorry. And you know your past indefinite change into past perfect tense. In past perfect we use had plus b3. So your had, he had negative and not b2 आएगा. Not comes b3 is come to school. Yesterday will change into the previous day. And your second answers will be Mohan replied. You see that this sentence is simply negative, but in past tense. But is converted into adverb. So I will change into according to Mohan into he हो जाएगा. You will find first of all you will write conjunction that आप लिखोगे. I convert करोगे Mohan कंसा he में. But will change into had not been at home. Now third one. Third one is again teacher asked him, your question when have you gone? This sentence is written to present perfect tense. You know, present perfect changing into past perfect. Here where will be used as a conjunction. Where you will change into he, present into perfect tense into past perfect tense. Had gone will be gone. Your last one is finally Mohan told him. Here you have to write only connector right. That को लगाओगे. इसके बाद that I will change into he में बाद आएगी तो आपका हो जाएगा he had been out of station to attend the wedding. Dear student, you have to write homework. You have to write dialogues from many sources and change into indirect speech as the example I have ever mentioned on the blackboard. That's all.